It's Misa with OCDetailing. Today we have a Sprinter van. So this is a big project. Luckily we've had a lot of experience with them. This might be like our 8th one or something like that. We start with a full decontamination wash. Gotta do the whole thing because this is getting a full wrap minus the roof. And we also do a full paint correction. So it takes a long time to prep this. And then after that, we go into that full custom bulk install that we all know and love. So the guys, this could take upwards of a week to wrap, but they get it done and they get it done fairly quick if you're looking at the size of this thing. So yeah, we do just about everything. We do little cars, we do big Sprinter vans. So send them our way because we'll get them done for you. And now we're done. So this is Mercedes Sprinter number 6. What we did here is, as we mentioned earlier, we did that full XP Crystal PPF on all of the surfaces of the vehicle. We also did a full ceramic coating that went on all the panels, all of the glass, the trim, the ins and outs of the wheels, and the brake calipers. You know how we do it here. We also tinted these front 2 windows, and yeah, this thing is gonna be good and ready to go. So yeah, OCDetailing's become Sprinter van heaven. So let's go ahead and get started on number 7.